Right now, at this very moment, this very second, the universe is dying. And most scientists knew this, but kept it from us. I want you to forget everything you know right now. The Big Bang, the idea that the universe goes on forever, the idea that everything is fine, all of it. Because in 2024, a telescope discovered that the fuel powering the universe's engine has started running out. And if no one heard about this, I'm asking you, why? Hey everyone, welcome to Mystery Lab. I'm Seho, and on this channel I ask you the strangest, most dangerous, and how is this even possible questions about the universe. And today our question is this: has the end of the universe arrived? Let me give you a spoiler. Scientists actually had two different answers about the end of the universe. Some say the universe will slowly freeze over. Others say no, the universe will collapse in on itself and explode. And the new data that came in 2024 put forward very serious evidence for the second one. Today I'm going to walk you through both. I'm also going to show you how even science itself can make mistakes. And you're going to decide, is the universe eternal? Is it blur? Ready? Let's get into it. First, let's talk about something simple. The universe is expanding, meaning everything is moving away from everything else. This was discovered in 1929 by Edwin Hubble, and since then, it hasn't changed. But the real shock came in 1998. Two different teams studied distant stars. We call these supernovae, basically massive stars that explode. And the light coming from these stars turned out to be dimmer than expected. Why dimmer? Because they had moved away from each other much faster than anticipated. Meaning the universe wasn't just expanding, its expansion was accelerating. To understand this, think of it this way. You're driving down the road in a car. The engine is running, you're going at a reasonable speed. Then someone says to you, actually, this car has been speeding up the whole time. You never even had a chance to take your foot off the gas. And you say, what? That's exactly what the scientists in 1998 experienced. They gave this mysterious pushing force a name: dark energy. And here comes the first striking number. It's believed that 68% of the universe is made up of this energy. That means 2/3 of the universe, far more than everything we can see, is entirely under the control of something completely unknown. And this is where the story gets interesting. In 2024, a telescope in the state of Arizona in the United States made a discovery. And this discovery caused a major hold-on-a-second moment in the scientific world. The telescope's name is DESI. That stands for Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instrument. Long name, but basically, think of it like this. This device mapped the universe in 3 dimensions, 40 million galaxies. 40 million. I mean, if I sat here and counted 40 million galaxies, even an AI couldn't do it. But this telescope can. Technology is truly incredible. Anyway, after making this map, scientists measured the expansion rate of the universe at every point in its past. And the result was shocking. The power of dark energy has weakened by roughly 10% over the last 4.5 billion years. 10%. Sound small? When it comes to cosmology, that's a massive change. Let's go back to the car analogy. The car is still on the road, the engine is still running, the driver is slowly lifting their foot off the gas. So what happens if their foot comes off the gas entirely? Now there are 2 scenarios for the end of the universe. Both are terrifying, both are enormous, but which one is worse? Scenario 1, the big freeze. This was the standard answer accepted for years. If dark energy stays constant, the universe expands forever. Galaxies move so far apart that over time, the skies go completely empty. Stars burn through their fuel and go dark. Even black holes eventually disappear. And what's left? Nothing. An infinite, cold, dark void. Forever. A pretty ideal setting for lunch plans, right? Scenario 2, the big crunch. But if dark energy keeps weakening, and that's exactly what DESI is saying, then the story changes completely. At some point, the pushing force won't be enough, and the universe will slow down, stop, and then reverse. Galaxies will start moving toward each other. The universe will collapse in on itself. Temperature rises, energy rises, everything gets compressed into a single point, the exact opposite of the Big Bang. That's what they call the Big Crunch. And now an interesting question comes up. If this happens, is it an ending or is it a new beginning? Some scientists think that after the Big Crunch, a new Big Bang could happen, a bounce. The universe dies and is reborn, meaning maybe the universe isn't even dying, it's just restarting.
But we need to pause here, because science doesn't work like that. When a telescope finds something, you can't just say, that's it, this must be true. In science, every discovery has a confidence level. We call it sigma. Think of it this way. 1 sigma says, it might just be a coincidence. 3 sigma says, it's probably real. 5 sigma is the level at which scientists say, okay, we're accepting this. The DESI data is currently between 2.5 and 4.2 sigma. That's very strong evidence, but it's not yet confirmed evidence. And why does that difference matter? Because scientists have been fooled before. In 2011, European scientists said neutrinos travel faster than light. Yes, you heard that right, faster than light. People thought the rules of the universe had been broken. They had 6 sigma data. So what happened? It turned out someone hadn't plugged in a cable correctly, a fiber optic cable. So one of the biggest discoveries in the world had come down to a cable being plugged in wrong. And that's actually a great example of just how honest a system science really is. It makes mistakes, but it finds them. So what are they going to do now? New telescopes are being deployed to confirm DESI's findings. Euclid, Vera Rubin, Nancy Grace Roman, these are next-generation telescopes. And if they also confirm that dark energy is weakening, then it won't just be one textbook that changes. They'll be rewriting everything we know about the end of the universe. So maybe the universe's fate isn't to freeze like an iceberg. Maybe the universe is going to hit a giant reset button. And to me, that's one of the most exciting possibilities out there when it comes to the universe. Okay, hold on for a second. I told you the universe might be dying, and yeah, that's scary. But here's the thing. Right now, while you're watching this video, millions of years have already passed. The universe is so vast that even saying it's dying almost sounds funny. So actually, we're living in some of the most beautiful moments the universe has to offer. There are stars, there are galaxies, and the fact that we're here asking these questions, that's a pretty remarkable thing. Now let me leave you with a question. Does the universe want to freeze, or does it want to start over? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious what you think. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because on Mystery Lab there are a lot more questions like this waiting to be answered. See you in the next video. I'm Seho, wishing you clear skies.